as you hand me to go. We got by.
Hello everyone. So it's just few days left before the Christmas day, and here in Calgary it's this 22nd of December. It's Tuesday, but in some parts of the world it's 23 already. So right now, as you might notice, I'm wearing my winter jacket on with me kasi lalabas tayo. Dito na lang muna sa balcony at maya-maya lalabas tayo para ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano ba talaga yung nangyayari during the winter season dito sa Canada. Yun nga ay meron ngang forecast na it's a snowfall warning na sinasabi from the Weather Channel forecast today na magkakaroon ng 15 cm to 25. At yun na nga ay mataas na yung snow. At ang weather ngayon, here it's -5, but it feels like -13. So it's a freezing zone. Malamig talaga. Kailangan ko yung mittens ko para hindi ma-frozen yung kamay ko. Kasi hahawak ako ng phone ko, diba? And then, susot ako ng shoes ko din. Okay, here's my mittens. Then, lastly, I'll gonna wear my shoes. Yan, ready na yung shoes ko. Dito pa lang yan sa lobo. Tingnan nyo. Napakataas, no? So, kailangan ko talagang magsapatos. Ready na okay. Ready na ako So my mittens, and then ayan, so ito na yung shoes ko. Tara na, labas tayo. See, yan yung winter namin dito Yan. Ito yung downtown area ng Calgary, Alberta, Canada. Yung red na yan ang tinatawag na Calgary Tower. Wow! Nagpo-footage din pala sila. See, may dalang camera yung isang guy. See my shoes.
I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. 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 Look at all the Christmas lights.
All bundled up na ako kasi lalabas tayo. Samahan niyo ako. Dito lang din sa 17th Avenue Southwest. I'm on a solo flight kasi may personal matters silang ginagawa sa taas. So I just walk by myself. Okay. Ito yung gamit ko, elbow. Once I exit, check ko muna yung namin pala, mailbox. Empty. So good. You see gaano kataas yung hirap na. See? So nakalabas na ako finally. Kalabas na rin. Okay, lalakad tayo. I'll grab a cup of cappuccino I'll check if I can go to Beano Coffee, or maybe I'll just go for Tim Hortons if it's open right now. So let's go. No. See? So kasi pag ano eh, snowstorm. Ayan. Oh, hirap. Paano ko makatawid, see? Ang taas ano? Kasi, lan yan. Haba. Ang taas pala. So, kailangan ko makatawid doon. Muna tayo sa kabila.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside?
Hello everyone! Welcome back! It's me, Eileen. Samahan niyo ako at ako'y maglalakad dito along the area dito sa Calgary. Kanina lang nagkaroon ng snowstorm. Makita ko sa inyo kung anong nangyari aftermath ng snowstorm dito. Kasi during the sa forecast kasi it was stated na magkakaroon ng na about 15 to 25 cm ng snow. So ganito 'yon. So dito kasi sa sidewalk na shovel na rin siya. Ayan, may machine. Kasi kailangan for the safety of passers-by. So ngayon maglalakad tayo, ha.
Until winter comes, it really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder.
Nandito ako ngayon sa tapat ng Safeway. Once in a while, dyan kami namimili in case na may kailangan talaga kami, urgent, na mas malapit lang dun sa tinitirhan namin. So, yung Safeway na yan, location niya dito sa 11th Avenue Street, Southwest Calgary. So, isa yan sa mga pinupuntahan naming supermarket o grocery stores aside from Costco. Yan, Safeway na yan. Dito sa Canada, mayroon talagang siya na tinatawag na bus stops. Yan, dito maghahantay yung mga passengers. Tapos, dito. And then, may specific time talaga. Kung hindi naman kasi at any point na pwedeng huminto yung mga buses, there's a certain time yung dating ng bus, and then certain point na pwedeng magpababa at mag-akyat ng pasahero. So ito yung
bus stops number, it's 2, 7, and 13. Pasok tayo sa loob. Nagahantay yung mga passengers. So make sure talaga, you know kung saan ang punta mo and then what bus number at specific time. Mas mainam kasi at least you are there 5 minutes earlier. Kasi once ang bus ay dumaan, you have to wait for another 15 minutes or longer. Mas mahirap pag weekend. Kasi ang schedule ng buses, 2 buses or 2 trips in an hour. Pero pag weekdays naman, every 15 minutes. But my point is, kung sasakay ka ng certain bus, you must know kung anong time ng bus na darating dun sa point na yon. And then also consider yung mga delays. So make sure you be 5 minutes earlier dun sa bus stop na yan. Ayan o, yung Calgary Tower. Now, so nandito ako sa isang bus stop. Ito yung 2, 7, and 13. May dumaan. Just make sure din kasi, para hindi mo ma-miss yung schedule ng mga buses, you should have an app. For example, yung Calgary Transit app. Or you must know yung number nung bus stop na yan para at least alam mo kung ano yung timing ng bus. Ayan o. So, make sure you ring those numbers. Yan sa phone mo. Kung wala kang LTE, just make sure you know the stop number. For example, sasakay ka ng bus 7, this is the stop number 5143. So, i-ring mo yan siya. Yung 974, blah blah blah. Just follow the instructions or the voice prompt. So, dito i-consider mo din talaga yung weather, and then yung time mo din. For example, like you have a certain schedule for work na hindi ka malilate, di ba? So, time to go home. Sa susunod na lang yung natin, yung pasyal. Some other days. Some other time. So, dito, naglalakad ako. Pauwi na ng apartment. Almost home. 3 minutes na lang. I'm done, and expect for more videos coming up.
Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold.
Finally, I'm here, safe and sound.
cheers and carols.